She sat there waiting for a westbound train, lost in memories that dulled the pain. She grabbed what she could of all that was good in goodbye. Better California than where she came from. Better on her own than fighting with her mom. Both listening to the sounds that they make. One more mistake was all she could take. So goodbye. She's on her way to Neverland. She's traveling alone. She's never been to Neverland, never been frozen by the sun that sets there on all the Romeos and Juliets there. She crushes out another cigarette. Lipstick stains and false regret, all long overdue, all black and blue, do or die. It's a small down payment on a hopeless bet. She trades a railroad ticket for what she'll get. In her mind she's thinking there's a place, and finally there's gonna be She sat there waiting for a westbound train.